What if your brain could grow new cells, even as an adult? For a long time, scientists believed the brain could not create new neurons after childhood. But modern science proved something incredible. Your brain can actually generate new neurons. This process is called neurogenesis. In this video, you'll discover how your brain grows, how your lifestyle affects it, and how you can boost it naturally. What is neurogenesis? Neurogenesis is the process of creating new neurons, or brain cells. It mainly happens in a part of the brain called the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory, learning, and emotions. This means your brain is not fixed, it is constantly evolving. Why neurogenesis matters? Neurogenesis plays a key role in improving memory, enhancing learning ability, regulating emotions, supporting mental health. Low neurogenesis is linked to depression, stress, cognitive decline. What boosts neurogenesis? The powerful part is this: your daily habits can increase or decrease neurogenesis. 1. Exercise. Physical activity is one of the strongest boosters. It increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which helps grow new neurons. 2. Learning new things. Challenging your brain stimulates neuron growth. 3. Quality sleep. Sleep helps the brain repair and create new cells. 4. Healthy diet. Foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 support brain growth. 5. Meditation. Reduces stress and supports brain development. What reduces neurogenesis? Some habits can damage your brain's ability to grow. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, alcohol, and substance abuse. Stress is one of the biggest killers of neurogenesis. Neurogenesis and mental health. Neurogenesis is closely linked to mental well-being. For example, depression is associated with reduced neurogenesis. Antidepressants may help increase it. This shows how important brain growth is for emotional health. Can you grow your brain? Yes, and this is the exciting part. You can actively support your brain's growth through simple habits. Every time you learn something new, exercise, sleep well, you are helping your brain become stronger. Neurogenesis in daily life. Your brain is not static. It is constantly adapting, growing, and changing. Small daily actions can have a powerful long-term impact. Your brain is more powerful than you think. It can grow, adapt, and rebuild itself. Neurogenesis proves that change is always possible. So if you want a better mind, start building a better brain.